Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are discussing how to use supplier agreements for a purchase order pricing. IFS application has different options for purchase order pricing as listed below. Different sources for a PO pricing. Number 1, supplier hierarchy. Number 2, supplier for purchase part. Number 3, supplier agreement. Number 4, supplier assortment. Number 5, price list. Number 6, condition code pricing. Here is my purchase part which I have created. As you can see, I have created a supplier for a purchase part record for this purchase part. You can see I have connected my part called tire with my supplier called 0001 supplier. You can see that I have set the price as €100 for this. As the next step, let's create a purchase order and have a look. I will create a purchase order header for my supplier. Let's create a part line for my purchase part. I will add the quantity as 50. You can see the price has been taken from my supplier purchase part record. You can see the value in supplier for purchase part is the value that is reflected in the purchase order line. So it has been perfectly fetched here. As the next step, I'm going to save this purchase order line. Let's create a supplier agreement and have a look. You can go to the supplier agreement page. I'm going to create a new supplier agreement for my supplier. You can navigate to the period tab and add the valid periods for the supplier agreement. Then you can go to the valid sites tab and add the respective sites here. Your header site will be automatically fetched here. You can further add any additional sites here. Now you can go to the parts tab and add your parts here. I am adding my purchase part here. I will add 90 as my price here. Now I can set this agreement as active. You can see now your supply agreement is in active status. Let's go back to the purchase order page. Let's add my purchase part again. I will add the same quantity again. You can see the price which I have given for my supplier agreement has been fetched here. Now you can save your line. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would like to hear from you.